As we previously discussed, a large selling point of using operating systems such as Ubuntu is how lightweight they can be. This, of course, doesn't come without its disadvantages, where, for example, often there is no GUI, graphical user interface, or what is also known as a desktop environment that we can use to interact with the machine. Unless it has been installed, a large part of the interacting with these systems is using the terminal. The terminal is purely text-based and is intimidating at first. However, if we break down some of the commands, after some time you quickly become familiar with using the terminal. We need to be able to do basic functions like navigate to files, output their contents, and make files. The commands to do so are self-explanatory once you know what they are, of course. Let's get started with two of the first commands which I have broken down in the table below. Echo and who am I? Echo outputs any text that we provide. Who am I finds out what user we're currently logged in as. See the snippets below for an example of each command being used. Echo hello friend will display hello friend, and who am I will say try hack me. You can also see it right over here in the command line. Answer the questions below. If we wanted to update the text try hack me, what would our command be? What is the username of who you're logged in as on your deployed Linux machine? It's try hack me. All right. And in here, they just wanted to use the command echo. But as you can see here, we have output the text try hack me in enclosed in double quotes. Okay,